Welcome everyone to live Forex analysis with the Ivan Biel. Let's go, let's go, let's go. Today has been amazing. Profits? Anyone? Boom. What have we been talking about lately? That's what we have been talking about. Dollar weakness, dollar weakness, dollar weakness, dollar weakness. And we have got dollar weakness all across the board. Fantastic, guy. Fantastic, mate. So, for me right now, what is going on? I am mixed of emotions, but I'm trying to put you guys through a good live and a good session where we're going to talk about dollar bearishness, yen bearishness, or bullishness. So we've been talking about it for, I don't know, a month now, give or take. Gold bullishness, silver bullishness, and whatever's happening oil. Alright, that's stuff today. Let's go through entries, targets, and stop losses, and targets. And what the trade plans was. And what is the trade plan for tomorrow? Because we have the trade plan for tomorrow as well. So that's mostly what we have to go through today. So, oh yeah. Great. Awesome. So, my name is MINDBLOWING. I'm a Forex trader. I've been trading Forex for a good 7 years now. Probably 8 soon. I don't know which when it turns 8. But it's been here for so long. So, I've been on YouTube since 2018, I believe. So yeah, I hope that you find this live informative, straightforward, straight to the point, and that we sometimes do get the right prices, get the right setups, and that we follow through on our trade plans that we do publish every week, every Sunday, and follow up every day. So you bought Euro, but now you sold. Yeah, let's go through that. So first of all, not the basis of everything, but some of the basis behind what we have gone through this week is dollar. So we've gone through the index. What do we see right now? We were here fighting this morning. My account was break even. I think I went from 2% in plus to like around negatives. And then it fell. So, booyah. Like, what is that? What else is there to be done? Kill it! So yeah, I am mostly known as the Viking Pipmaster for some crazy reason. I do drink my Coke to keep me alive, and I have my merch on, so we all agree. So, then, what are we going to do now? Value. The value I'm giving you is the plan for April was dollar bearishness, dollar bearishness, dollar bearishness. So, what happened 1st of April, mate? That is 1st of April. Okay. Then we have no lower low. And I said, that is the first attempt to sell. Okay, we sold that. Then it fell. Then today was the second attempt. And this was, I called it the godly sell zone or whatever the other day. Just for fun. But yeah. And then I said to my mentorship group that 92.73 is the price to hold for dollar bullishness. So, what is going on? Today is a celebration of profits, of trading plans, that we are doing our job, that we keep doing our job, and that we never, ever, 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 ever give up. So to me, it's a relief, I guess. There's other things happening in my life right now, so I can't really talk about that. But if I do feel lower self-esteem, lower energy, I do apologize in advance. Let's go forward. There's a lot on my mind at the moment. I'm just trying to give you guys a value. Help out in this big, crazy world. So, start off with the pivot points. What was the best price this week? The best price this week was 76. I think I mentioned that to you guys. If I didn't, I did now. We went higher high, and then we came back down. Went a bit lower than I thought. So in an uptrend, I want support to hold always. So I traded that support here. It went a bit lower, but okay. No worries. Don't worry. Let's continue further. So wait. We're supposed to do Euro first. Sorry. Let's go to Euro. I will do that later. So first of all, for Euro, we had this price pointed out. And I don't know. Can't remember. Does it say anywhere? No, it doesn't say anywhere. Does it say in any of my Does it say any of my charts that I posted to you guys let's maybe start the week, maybe. Let's see if I have posted that, because I just want to find it very fast. If I don't have it very fast, I don't really care. But I think 3rd of April, when is that? NFP. No, it's not here. So, okay. So what am I saying is, I said on Euro, you should buy 17.35, and I don't want price to go below 17.10. I have that black and white, and I said then this price here. So, you should be in profit. Boom. Fantastic. Good on you. Fantastic. Good. Whoa, 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 whoa. That was wrong. Okay. There you are. So yeah, great. Good on profits. The question then becomes, what do you do then? Do you take profit here or here, as we have reached that very fast, very early? So I went through my Discord channel today and said, if then, the link is in the description somewhere, if we hit before Tuesday, I will take profit. So I've already taken profit at, I can't remember what price it was at, but somewhere around 1844. Yeah, I think it was. Nope. Hello, T2. Welcome. People sold the bottom, buying higher highs, retailers. That's so great. One guy was asking what's happening. Where did you see that? That just means that it wasn't in my group. He wasn't trained by me. I feel sorry for him. I can't take credit for his lack of direction. But you know, he will get here. He will get to the team in the end. Okay? So all that I'm saying right now is based upon the weekly FOREX forecast I made on Saturday. So yeah, good on you, bros. Then I'm holding a buy entry somewhere in this area here. I didn't take this one today because it wasn't down at support. I could have. But if it went down there, it would be so petty. Okay? So if I was trading that one up. Okay. I don't really bother too much. The other thing is there is nothing in here that says buy, other than maybe here around London. So if you took that around London, totally up to you. But then the question becomes, what do you do next? Technically, I want this one. This is the low that I want to hold, 1800, okay. I then want price to come back down here to 1820. But now it went a bit too far. 1850. What is 1850 to you? 1850 to me is resistance, combined with 1875. And that means tomorrow we are in the sell zone for the month. I think it is. If I'm not right. Yeah, we're turning into the sell zone. Am I scared? I just know there is tons of euro sellers. I don't know if they're taking profit in here, but I am very respectful of them, saying, okay, they live maybe here. So I'm not going to be buying up here. If we come down to this price, I probably buy it, based upon my own experience and what I normally do, and then take it higher. But other than that, am I really going to risk my hard-earned money that I already took profit on 80 pips to this price here? Maybe not. So currently this one is break-even. It should be break-even. If not, it is not break-even. I will make sure it's break-even. The other thing is, check out your... Why does it change all the time? Like I did the what do they call it? It's complaining about my resolution. I changed that to 1920, 1980, or whatever that thing is, like the HD, and apparently something changed. In EU, he sold 1700. Oh lordy, that's bottomist. Okay, he sold bottomist according to. What a poor guy. We should contribute to him. That hurts. That hurts so bad. Imagine selling 1700. That sounds so bad. Oh my lordy. And buying 1850. Well, he's $6 profit, bro. Dude. Uh, but yeah. But yeah, that is absolutely zonky style. I do feel worried about those people. So what do we do to help them out? Well, welcome to the show of people and knowing your prices, okay? There's a couple of steps of knowing your prices. If you were a seller, depending if you were or wanted to be, this was your sell price, I would say. Kind of could be a lower low, could be a lower high, and then continuation lower. That could have been your entry, and that could have been your stop loss, and you're out. There's nothing more for you there. Okay, as a seller on the weekly. So one order out. Okay, for the month, you're turning into the zone. You're getting good, ready here, and you are ready to take this one down. Now, what is the rules of engagement of taking this one down? Should you buy? Should you sell in a bullish trend or potential bullish trend? No, not really. So what you should then do is to wait. Just wait. Just wait. And what do you wait for? Depending on how you want to turn it around, that's totally up to you. But you know what? What if we go down to 15-minute time frame? You create a double top, lower low, lower high situation, and then you sell either that or that, depending on how aggressive you are. In this situation here, you could probably maybe sell it like this, or lower low, lower high. Actually, I would sell it more here, so I will take it here. Actually, that's what I would do. So you have a bit of a waiting game. Like. What's there not to like? Price is still moving upwards. And so, yeah. So today we were riding the 15-minute time. So 1 hour 21. So 1 hour 21 was the rule of the game today, and I hoped for this one. It didn't happen. But you know what? It is what it is. I can't run to the forest, know how to call it. I can't go to the grave with this trade. That I didn't take it. I will just learn from it. Okay, dokie. Uses RSI. I do feel, you know what? I sometimes become angry when I hear RSI, and sometimes I start to laugh because there is something wrong fundamentally about the education the poor guys have been given on YouTube. That you just use RSI, just when it turns around lower, you sell it. Okay? And then go down to 5 minutes chart or 1 minute chart or 15-minute chart. I don't know what I even use anymore. And then you sell it. Like, dude. Get some proper education. RSI is not gonna save your life. It's not gonna predict the trend. And if you don't already have a bias or a direction already, then yeah. Because I used to trade like that. I would both buy and sell and whatever. Until I realized something very, very, very important. Let us go through that for 1 second. In this situation here, this box here we have buyers and sellers. Both are right, both are wrong. You don't know until it's over that you're right or you're wrong. This is the price to sell, 1772 in my eyes. Is the price to sell. Low, high, lower, low, continuation lower, great, fantastic. Still, below that low. On the buy side of it, you have now a double bottom, higher high, higher low, depending. So if you were a buyer, you got your entry, you went higher, and you're great, fantastic. Your market agreed with you. But in this situation here, you can be right, you can be wrong, but you have your prices. So it all depends if you're a buyer or seller. And then I noticed it happens again and again and again. It can be bullish, it can be bearish at the same time, and it's only up to the market to decide if it's bullish or bearish. If it's going to go in the direction that you want to see. Okay? The other, for example, the other example here is, let's see if I can find a great example for you. Is there a good example here? Yeah. Yeah, so here, for example. Here. For someone, this could be bearish. For somebody else, this could be bullish. It all depends. What are you? Buyer or seller? In the end, buyers won, and it was around 24th of November last year. Okay? Know your prices. Know your prices, and the price will set you free. Chief! There you are. Wait, let's let them hunt them and sell. So, I am just here. Please spread the word to the world about, not me, but how you should trade. That is free, available. I'm not charging you for that. I'm doing it for free here. So, you are then allowed to get out to the world. I also saw that there was some, on my last YouTube video, there was traffic coming from WhatsApp. And I haven't shared anything to WhatsApp. So I'm wondering, hey, thank you to those who shared to a WhatsApp group. I deeply thank you for that. Well, it's easy period points, COT, retail sentiment, options, switch off indicators, MACD, RSI, blah, 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 blah. I think who gives us those, indicators can go in your, It all depends, bro. It all depends what does it tell you, how does it derive. I can't say all indicators are terrible because I use pivot points. But I can tell you that I changed my trading. It made my trading so much better because I now have confidence, I'm content, and I don't care. Maybe that doesn't necessarily come out of the pivot points, but it's a big factor. Factor one is, let's see if we can change that to black. Factor one is pivot points. Factor two is one direction. Factor three is maturity. I can't even write that one, so mature. Okay, don't come for me, whatever. Maturity. Number 1, 2, 3, and then 4. Care phase. Careless. Lower risk. Understanding what I'm right and what I'm wrong. All this leads to what? More profits for me, personally. That's just my journey. It's been a long journey, but it's been a good journey. RSI low will just go against the retail no matter what. Chief, there is a low. The low you say sell, retails with 60% sell. Yeah, you know what? It is what it is for them. I can't really make them do whatever I want them to do. So since they're not here, since I can't really tell them what to do, we just hope and pray that they don't give up and they don't commit whatever, and they don't do anything stupid. Okay, that's all. Spread the word about how to trade, make them profitable. But of course, the other side is we also need the retail traders to be stupid so that we can take their money. But anyways, I don't want anyone to suffer. I don't want anyone to go away from the forex market and say this was a scam. I think this is based upon knowledge, but it's also highly, highly, highly frustrating thing to do because you don't know the future. David says, closes or wicks for you? I use close of the body. And yeah, you blew up 10k, yeah. Yeah, that's true, that's true. So what's really happening here, people, is a reversal of the market we have been waiting for. Catch the next move lower. Now you are warned. We are a bit higher on the day weekly. Don't take a lot of risk. But if it comes down to the buy zone tomorrow, okay, great. Fantastic. Let's take it up. Okay, pound. Died upon me, and that's my stop loss. Should you just give up pound? Like, can somebody teach me how to trade pound? If somebody out there can teach me how to do pound, I will be very happy. Size by 40. Well, it's just a small loss. But what the heck? Like, the reason why I took the stop loss is trend, no trend. It breaks below this one. It doesn't want to hold that. Okay. It goes far below my entry. And I'm like, okay, whatever. David can. Well, hit me up, David, and tell me how to trade pound. I do, but I'm having a joke. But yeah. Can pound still go up, though? I do see something. That the strength of pound goes to euro at the moment. So since euro's vaccination program is better now, apparently, I think that is what drives it. Today. Only. So I'm just going to be cautious. I'm not going to force pound. We also have our lower low on pound yen. Maybe that's actually the reason why pound in general are falling, because they're taking profit here and saying, hey, goodbye. You know, this one is an interesting one, I must say. I don't know if I want to start selling pound yen, but it's definitely the first sign of what is yet to come. Maybe a turn lower. I don't know how far this thing is going to go. But I do one thing. I do expect pound to be strong in April. So that leaves me in between as a sandwich. Am I going to be strong on yen? Am I going to be strong? Am I going to be weak on pound? I don't know. Long pound, yeah, I've heard about that one so much though. But yeah. Teach me and I will probably come after you. Craig, you just subscribed. Very much welcome. Very much welcome. Today I'm not so fundamental, but I'm actually to talk a lot about fundamental and the reasons of why I do think pound is going to be strong. Why yen is going to be strong. But today I'm low, so I do apologize. Go back in my other video to look at those things. Okay? Now, technically, fundamentally, and I'm just following up on my trades I've already done. So, what is the reason? I have like what is it, 67 pages, and 67 pages on why I think all of this going up in my Discord channel. But I can give you one photo of it. It's all free and available and all those things. So, this is seasonality chart for the past 33 years. And one of them is for the 33 years and one is for 15. So red is 15. So coming into April here, it strengthens a bit and then it absolutely falls down until May. For the 33 years, it goes into May a bit before rising again pretty hard, pretty good, back up again. Okay, where does that leave us? And then falls 1st of June again. Where does that leave us? Technically then, seasonality-wise then, if you believe in this thing, we're going to see dollars falling in April. Pretty hard. Pretty hard. Okay. Then we can go to, which other one can we go to? Can we go to Australian dollar maybe? Australian dollar seasonality, just for fun, to see how that goes. Wink, wink, nudge, nudge. Let's see. April, it starts off and says boo. Okay. Australian dollar normally has a extremely good April month, and it's almost untouchable. And then it comes into May, and then it falls back down again. June goes back up again. Okay. Hi Eric. Hi Craig. Very much welcome. I will go banana buy on GU if it comes to 3550 to 3500. Then go to 142. On our daily and 4-hour trades, do fundamentals matter? David, I will tell you something absolutely crucial to trading, probably life-changing, but I'm gonna tell you. Fundamental analysis is difficult and easy. It's difficult if you don't understand what you're doing. Easy because you have done it so many times. Start today, start today, start today, start today. What do you need to know today? Okay. Today you need to know, if you read central banking policy statements, the summary. Nothing more. You can read all the other charts if you want to. The summary. Start with summary. Then you go to interest rates. For Australia, for example. Australia are currently now has been cutting. What happens to Australian dollar in previous times when they have been cutting? Go back to 2009, for example. What happens when Australia either signaling or the market thinks it's gonna start increase interest rates again? What happens to Australian dollar then? I'm not going to give you the answers, but it's very easy. You can find interest rates on the internet. You find the charts, go to daily time frame, and then you go look. That is technical fundamental analysis. Very, 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 very small, but there's a lot to the painting. That was very simplified. My fundamental analysis does not affect if I'm going to be buying on 70, 69, or 68. Fundamental bias is your direction. Where are you going to trade it for the next month, 3 months, 6 months, or 1 year? Then you can go into seasonality, which I'm talking about right now, is during the season, what does normally market tend to do? Are we in April tending to fall? Or are we tending to rise? That also has a significant interest to your trading plans. Now, what really then matters is you have a whole range of indicators in the end. You have bank statements, you have central bank statements, you have seasonality, you have political statements like, are they going to increase taxes? Very important. Are they going to cut taxes? Are they going to put stimulus into the market? Very important, very important. Now, that's a pool of indicators that is in front of your eyes. And then you can create a table, you can create whatever, and then you have COT reports as well that would then track how the hedge fund managers are positioning in the market. And then you have a pool of indicators, and the pool of indicators will tell you a direction. Now, that is just 90% of your work, maybe 80%, and the rest is now technical analysis. That's why I can confidently say, before I open the chart, before I wake up in the morning, I know exactly what I will do. And by the way, I've already entered the orders the evening before London. So, probably 7 to 8 hours before it ever happens. Okay? That's how planned I am. That's me. Does fundamentals matter? So it matters on 5 minutes, 15 minutes, 1 hour, 1 daily, 1 month. We're keeping on 1 month. But it matters on most of your time frames that you are supposed to be trading, because it gives you the direction you're supposed to take. And if the market doesn't agree with you, Hardy, you know very much like me, right? I have been waiting for this dollar bearishness for a couple of 3 weeks now. And you know that I've been trying to buy this son of a thing for ages. Okay, so you know. Oh, let me load. Joey, make this one move faster. So this, I was sitting here and waiting. It didn't go bullish, so I didn't buy. But I was waiting for that. And I think I bought it last week somewhere, and I came back to hit my stop loss. Okay, I think I bought it. I bought it here as well, and this time here, it didn't work out. It didn't work out. It didn't work out. It worked out. Ta-da! Ta-da-da-da-da! Fantastic. Now, I couldn't just have been selling this when I would have made money. Maybe I will. I'm actually thinking about that. Should I do that? Maybe not. So, sticking to your plan, sticking to whatever your bias is, and you will get paid. Did I lose money here? No. Did I lose money here? No. Did I lose money here? No, I didn't even enter a trade. Did I gain money here? Yes. Am I better off now? Yes, I am. That is how you trade, bros. Okay? So, can we do steel sensibility? We will, Hardik. Can you send me... is it possible to become a member today? I set up like this $5 a month membership. I'm not selling it to you. I'm just wondering if it's actually possible to do it. Because it's supposed to be there. So, if those son of a people haven't done it yet, I'm going to be angry. So, become a member. Still nothing? Really? Well, okay. It says on YouTube that I was supposed to. But okay. But yeah, so if for those who wants to be a YouTube member for $5 a month, what do you get then? Discount on my merch. And also, I will look at your comments first. Why did I even do it? Because people asked for it. Don't come for me and saying, whatever. I'm only doing it because people ask for it. They want to sub the channel. That's how they do it. Oh, okay. I had to publish the changes. Like, what is wrong with this YouTube thing? So, if I do go back now, then can we do it now? Can we do it now? Become a member. You can become a member for $5 a month. Woo! Whoop 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 whoop. So, there is a guy, GW, I think it was. He wanted that. So, you're much welcome. Now I fixed that for you as well. Can we do steel sensibility? Where we will. Forex live order posted yesterday. The options of the week. What is happening to pound? I think pound. The bullishness coming out of pound goes into euro at the moment because of vaccination. You're very much welcome, David. I'm called Ivan. Please call me Ivan. And then Forex Live order is posted yesterday. Yeah, I've been doing a lot of research on fundamentals. Great. Interest rate, CPI, GDP. So the most important things for a central bank is inflation in CPI, core CPI, not CPI, but core CPI is important, and unemployment, the labor market, and then other things comes in also as well. That's the two most important things. Yeah, totally agree. Your patience is a bliss. And you know what? I've turned around this guy called Hardik. This guy was gambling back and forth, up and right. He was a slot machine. Wherever the market was going, he was buying and selling, and he couldn't wait. He was like, bro, where is gold gonna go today? Please tell me. Can I buy gold now? What's up, Mario? Late as always. Yeah. You have different zones on your chart. Are you using weekly or monthly pivots? Pivot points are leading indicators, moving average, lagging, where most trades are using. Your opinion, please. Phil Preston. There's different ways. I use monthly, weekly, daily. It all depends. This is for position. This is for monthly. And this is for weekly trades. So I scalp into weekly trades and take profit on the weekly target. The weekly, I take profit on the monthly target, and positions I take at the end of the season, mostly around December or June, depending. David, you use Wayne McDonald pivot points. There is a technicality to this. I know the guy who did make this pivot point indicator. It comes from Wayne McDonald that made, or Wyatt made them for MT4, and then Joe has made the version for TradingView. But yeah, it comes out of the same guy. So yeah. So I do use pivot points. I do not use. I'll use moving average too. Like there's nothing. Well, I don't know. It's both. It says the same. Pivot points and leading and moving averages makes you buy at the same price anyways. I just use pivot points because it's easier for my eyes to see. And thus I will just be, hello Joanna. Yeah, he's a great dude. And I love his community as well. So yeah. yeah. Hardik is commenting on me. So he's like, where? Can I buy gold now? Can I buy gold? He's Indian, by the way. I'm not making fun of him, I'm just making fun. So, yeah. Yes, I got my student loan. I can offer it for 35. 35 pounds. You know what? I'm not here for the money, bro. I'm here to help you trade, becoming better, and then eventually will follow me. Eventually will subscribe, and eventually we will have a lot of great. The reason why I started YouTube is because I was trading alone. I was trading alone for 5 years. Nobody bothered. I was alone in a dark hole, trading alone. And then what is my story? My brother-in-law wanted me to teach me Forex. Then he lives in Kenya, and I was like, okay, I will make you videos. Okay, great videos. Put them on Facebook. I put them on Facebook. Facebook wasn't promoting my Facebook page so much, so I went into YouTube. And here we are, a couple of years later. How are the pivot points determined? Determined by the high and the low. The high and the low. And the close price divided by 3, then we get an average. So that is the central. And then you add, like, I think it's times 2, and then minus times 2 or something, then you get the other ones. I will go through. Let's go through it. Okay. Don't worry. How do we trade this thing called pivot points? Okay. Pivot points has number of features, but this is the buy zone you're looking for. After you have figured out that this is bullish, then you can look for buy zone. And this is a target, and this is a target. Mostly this first target is the conservative one. This is the aggressive one. We have burst through both of them. That makes me worried. A bit too fast, but okay. If you are a seller, you're looking for sells in this pink zone, down to this first one, and then the second one. I've taken away the prices, but there is prices on MT4 indicator as well, which is available for you. Just Google MT4 pivot points, and then you will find it. Then you have for the week, that was for the week, and then for the month. Now, I think we are a bit off here, Joe. I don't know if Joe is here, but I'm talking to Joe as Joe is here. But 1700, this is the buy price for the month, and this is the target, around 21.26, give or take. So, I will take profit up here for my weekly trades. 35 watching, only 10 likes. You know what, bro, Craig? Joanna, did you analyze the pound dollar in this live? I have done pound dollar already, yes. I have just joined Sani from Oz. Silver? We can do silver. 3 minus Lynn. Roscoe, why are you 30 minutes late? Please. In a few days, FOMC meeting minutes. What is going to happen with that? So Eric, the FOMC meeting minutes is just an out. So there's a meeting, the FOMC meeting for 2 days back last week. Is a statement. Now, what is really happening this week is just an outlaid. What do you call it? Like they're explaining what they're doing. The other one was just a summary. So there's going to be graphs, there's going to be reasonings, there's going to be what they were voting, there's going to be what they're thinking, what they were discussing. So it's in the details. If anyone believes that we're going too hard too fast and they want to start increasing interest rates again, that is interesting. But until then, we are cool. And we're actually making money by sitting in this live. Cheers, guys. So, it's an important piece to read as a trader. Okay? So, Hardik wanted silver. Was it silver? It was steel. Steel seasonality. I think I've done that before. Steel seasonality, and I probably should send. I should have sent it to you in your WhatsApp, bro. Steel seasonality. There maybe. Let's just nickel, steel. No, okay. Aluminum has a very great month in April. Maybe you should go to Season X. Should have that. This one. So April is the end of this one. Steel industry seasonality also has a strong month, and USSX Steel Group also has a strong month, which is a stock, but that doesn't matter to me at the moment. So everything so far is looking up for steel prices in April, but in the end, turning into May, we turning lower. Okay, so April is good for steel. April is good for steel. May not. You'll watch it later. Thank you. You're very welcome. I don't want guys to go somewhere else. I will go to pound. I was stopped out down here and I'm angry about that. And then I asked somebody to teach me how to do pound trading. So somebody, David will teach me how to do pound. Okay, hello. Okay, very much welcome. Then we can move on. Which is the next one? Next pair. And I will take a drink as you guys tell me where do we gonna go next. We have done euro. Euro is going higher. I am fearing 1850, 1860, 1870 resistance. The weekly we're gone above the weekly take profit for the pivot points. That makes me uneasy. I've taken partial profit. Boom on the euro already. Just partial, just 30% off. Did you do gold? We can do gold. Biden infrastructure bill passing may help U.S. steel. Yeah, okay. Yeah, I can agree to that. That could be a good move. The other thing that comes with this infrastructure bill, increased taxation on about 400,000. I don't know how that is going to be placed in, but maybe we're going to play in May. So be aware of May. I'm expecting dollar bullishness in that month. So I don't know if we're able to hold these prices until June. I fear. I don't like to, but I fear. So we have 2 for gold. Anthony Curry. We have Sammy. Sammy's he's a good guy. He's a good boy. We can do gold. Gold diggers. I told 137, 136 earlier today. That didn't get catched. Okay. So, what is technically happening to gold? Double bottom. I want to see this happening to my market on all time frames. So, is this a double bottom? Yeah, kind of, maybe. Yeah, maybe, maybe not. So somewhere in here could have been a buy. It didn't work out. Went sideways. I think I was encouraging buys in here. Though just my opinion. Don't take anything credit for it. It's not financial advice. And then we went down again, went sour, and didn't come down to this price again. Then what are we gonna do now, bro? What are we gonna do? 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 We are going to trade this as professionals. First of all, risk management. Not more than 1%. Okay, 1%. Not more than 1%. Then, hello Abraham, long time no see. Then I would say 1736. And for tomorrow, it is 1837. 1838. I think it's a bit high, but it's still okay. The other one then is 6:25 a.m. It's maybe also the low. You have to figure out which time frame that is, and no, which time zone that is in. But it's in Oslo time zone, so you make up your mind. That tends to be sometimes the low of the day, depending on where it is. But it tends to be the support. You shorted gold today. That might have been one of the more worst trades I've seen today. I do not at all encourage sells on gold today. Please. It's a higher high. If it was going down here and you sold here, amazing trade. Technically, it is a new higher high. So, where were they going to go? 2000? Anyone? Are we going to 2000 today? Is that a good place to be? I think so. So let's go for 2000. I think we're going to stop before that. Monthly target was somewhere around 17 something. 1780. I don't like that. 1775. I don't like that, but that's what it is. But I want to go higher. I don't care about paper points in this case. Because if this is technically a bullish move, yes, we have resistance in this area. I do agree with you. But then, if that happens, are you going to be a buyer down here then? Yeah. And if we break above 1770, what are you going to do then? Are you just going to let it go? Or are you going to join the train? The thing about gold, it goes in one direction. It's also used for hedge. So, whoever's in this market doesn't care about volatility on the small time frame. So if your stop loss of 50 pips is hit, they don't really care. Nobody cared, nobody saw it, nobody bothered. They might even care for you to take your stop loss out. Just a small conspiracy theory there. That's all. Just a small one. Okay, great. Do you ever look at indices such as Nasdaq, Dow Jones, etc.? Yes, I do. Just for my personal reasons, because I buy generally the equivalent of OBX, which is the Oslo Stock Exchange. Is it 25 or is it 20? 25 biggest, and then S&P 500. So I generally buy in a bullish market, and if it falls, I buy even more, generally speaking. And then from October to April is the best trading months for the stock market. The best trading months is between October and April. And then it all dies in May. So I don't know if I'm going to take profit in May. Maybe reduce my risk. But May until October again, the market just goes back to, seasonality-wise, goes back to a rage or something terrible. Yeah. So what that you're talking about there is quite funny. We can go through that in 2 seconds. 30 billion lost. So something happened. Not. So something happened. All of a sudden, what was it? Some large movement on Friday, 2 weeks ago, and it just started to fall. And we're like, what is going on? And what really happened was that there is a guy called, well, Tiger, whatever. He got liquidated. This guy got liquidated. And he caused a pretty good sell-off in the market for no absolute reasons. So they have taken too much risk, too much leverage, borrowed money to buy or sell stocks, whatever they did, and then Credit Suisse said, "Hold on, wait, I don't like you anymore. You're fired." So yeah, you are fired. That's what happened. So they got liquidated, and they no longer. Oh, anyone who won commercial for Renati? Cool. And that's my walks, if you're wondering. And yes, I have been looking into that lately. So it is Arcaja's Capital Management. Let's Google those people then. How they could fall so much, like Bloomberg, company file, let's say going to Lost. How Bill Wang lost Market Insider, how we lost 8 billion only in 10 days. That is a bit more than I have lost. I must say that. I can't say and claim that I lost 8 billion US dollars. Even though I have my worth in Norwegian kroner. Yeah. So they got liquidated basically. And it also exposed the fragility of the financial systems because it also triggered other people and other managers to take profit because it hit their stop losses. So that's a bit of warning. Okay, next one. Next. Hello, Adeki. Next pair. And I do look at US Treasuries a lot. I do look at DXY a lot. You know, great. What is it? Is it Goofy? Yeah. Gosh. Making money, losing money, not losing money, gaining money. Even USD CAD, did it hit my stop loss? I hate USD CAD. Look, for the love of God, why are you not falling? CAD Yen, Aussie Swissy. We can do Aussie Swissy very fast. Aussie Swissy is in a range for the past 1 month. That will say no market. No market. I'm sorry. Bye-bye. See you later, alligator. I don't care. Sell zone, buy zone. You do your job, and you're probably are gonna make money. Maybe not going to make money. I hate Swissy because I lost a lot on pound Swissy back in March. Personal grudge. Just my personal opinion. That's all. So I hate Swissy because I lost. Pound yen fell and pound Swissy went up for the crazy reason I cannot know, other than the Swiss National Bank manipulated the freaking market. And I'm angry. Yes. Yeah, USD CAD is pissing me off. And I'm angry about it. And I'm not going to hide it. And I'm going to tell the USD CAD in their face that they suck. Yeah. Great. Now we're done. Target, I don't know, 1773.50. You're good to go. Bye bye. Adios. USD yen. Somebody asked about the other day. We had a lower low. I said probably sell. I don't know if maybe I said it in my sleep. That was a sell price. That's the first one to take. Yeah, okay, great, fantastic. And then you have the second opportunity here, and then take profit at around 109.20. Great. Now, what was it called, bro? What was the price we took profit at? Was it here? What was the price we took profit at, Hardik? Or was it here, maybe? Somewhere here? The price has gone nowhere since that time. What was the price we took, or you took profit at? Silver! We just done silver. Silver's done. Well, have we done silver? Maybe not. To the silver! To the silver! 10.50, 10? Yeah, it's lower now. So it was a good call in the end, I guess. You said we took profit at 10.50. 10.05. 10.5? Really? Bro, that's a good trade. That's a good take profit. Really? No way. Did we take profit there? No way, dude. What? No way. Did we? Did we take profit at 10, 11? Dude, that is unreal. Did we? Wow. Boom. That's how you time the market, bro. Wow. This is live reaction, people. We topped the market. That's how you do it. Oh, dang it. Okay, let's go back to trading then. Deadstove, you took huge profit on Aussie dollar. You are very much welcome. And I hope you didn't lose a lot of... Yeah, that's a big boom. That's a big boom. That's like a... Anyways, Euro pound, Aussie Swissy, CAD yen. I'll just go back over the dollar pairs very fast. This is a new higher high. Somebody, I think it was Magdi, who said, I don't know, it hasn't broken yet. Yeah, here it goes, bro. You're welcome. There's profits there. There's profits on the euro. There is losses on pound. Nothing on pound yen. New Zealand dollar making more profits. USD CAD hitting stop losses. I hate that. Mostly because I already have an entry in here, so probably it's break even right now. And I haven't sell some here from the day to day. Well, I have to learn from that. So pretty much profits. That's what we are. CAD yen. Let's go. Okay. Sell zone. Price coming back up here and then selling lower. For some obvious crazy reason, pound CAD Canadian is weak. I don't know why. Somebody can tell me later. I want to talk to that guy. So you would need to sell either 87, 65, or 80. So hope for a retracement back up before falling again. You took profit and used the yen? Great. Fantastic. You're much welcome. So, come on, people. I only got 30 people and I got 20 likes. Come on. Come on. I've given you great value today. I deserve that. If you don't deserve that, please tell me how I can improve. Because for the YouTube algorithm and for everyone else in this market, I have given you trading ideas. I've told you what I'm doing myself, and we all together should be in profit. Well and done and dusted. And I've been mentoring you guys throughout the day on the Zoom meeting, free Zoom meeting for everyone that was in the Discord channel. So if you're not in my Discord channel and you're not in the Zoom and you didn't get help from me, I'm sorry, I was there for you guys. You didn't see it. But that's that. That's that. Yen going higher. That's a difficult day. That's a difficult day. But yeah. And I don't know if I want to trade it anymore. This is good. This is good. This is good. This is yeah. Yeah, I see that. I agree with you. But pound, no, Canadian is supposed to be strong in April. Okay, that's why. Then we have 3 new likes. Do we have any subscribers today? Is there any new subscribers today? I don't know. There's supposed to be like this box thing here that is supposed to playing when there's any new subscribers. Can we test widget? Can we try it? Test? Maybe not now. Anyone? Done. I don't know. Is there anyone now? It's supposed to work, but I've been battling with this thing for a long time now. So let's go back to trading. I will figure it out. I will figure it out. Who's texting me? My wife is texting me. So hi baby, I'm well. Okay. She says that she's well. That's great. That's an improvement. You just subscribed and it didn't pop up. Okay. Then we need to do some investigation in this clan here. Can you just give me like a moment? Like, can we just customize? Go to settings maybe. Innstillinger. Personvern. No. Okay. I don't know why it didn't work. So maybe we should do a live another day to see if it works out again. I don't know why it doesn't want to work. I don't know why it doesn't want to work. Followers, subscribers. Test widget. Nobody. I don't know. What else? What do you think will happen to euro pound? I think it's going to go rise because of euro with euro strength and pound weakness apparently so far. And somebody asked me about this earlier today. I think it was in the wow. Okay, that was my real reaction there, people. That was real. I haven't seen that chart today. Okay? That was real. I saw when price was in this area here around 10 a.m. this morning. And it's absolutely gone absolutely bananas. Whoa. Fantastic then. So yeah. What do you think is going to happen? I think it's going to go up. But I don't like euro pound, I must say, because it can go straight up and straight down again. It's already going to take profit on the month, no, on the week, sorry. And then on the month, okay, it's on the Zal zone. Okay, cool, it can go. But yeah, I don't like rocket ships. Rocket ships makes me feel like it's going to come down again. Okay? Don't come for me, but I'm just saying that. What's the best pair for beginners? Okay. You have a question to make, you know. Let's do either Aussie dollar, this one, or euro dollar, this one, or New Zealand dollar? This one. Pound messes up with me. New Zealand messes up with, no, Canadian dollar messes up with me. So yeah, this one is easiest to understand. They don't have too much. Well, let's say trading forex is risky, not appropriate for everyone. Past performance is not indicative of future results, but also is, for me personally, easier to understand. Okay, it's like your wife. Okay, do you know your wife? Do you know your girlfriend? Do you know your boyfriend? So Australian dollar, US dollar, Euro dollar, New Zealand dollar, and not gold, silver, oil. Yeah. Anibal Morales is just out there to make fun and humor today. Great. Fantastic. You are... Well, it doesn't pisses me off to say that, Morales, but please. No, gold is terrible for new traders because there's a lot of manipulation. It falls 100 pips and goes back up again. Like what? For what reason? I don't know. It doesn't need to be any reasons for it even. So it's very unpredictable and very quote-unquote dangerous. Okay? Great. We're good on that. Euro is bullish. They're coming for sells. I like that. That is great. I want Aussie dollar to also stay bullish, but it doesn't do that anymore. Okay, so once it goes higher, 50 pips up on Aussie, that will also turn bearish. USD CAD is bullish because people are tending to sell. Apparently that's maybe why it's going up again. I don't know. I don't care. Pound dollar, a lot of buyers coming in. Maybe that's why we didn't go up today. But yeah, a lot of sellers on pound yen making a lot of money today. Maybe because they're buying and take profit and stop losses, maybe. But other than that, I don't care. So prices for tomorrow. Let's go back to that. Though it's only educational, not financial advice, but I would look for this area here. If I don't get it, I don't chase the freaking market. Okay? If price goes above, I will then take that as well. But mostly it comes down to the buy zone anyways. So if it doesn't come down today, it comes back up tomorrow. Doesn't matter. There's always a chance. Don't force it. Euro, I would defend 1820. Even though we have risen a lot right now. I don't think we're going to go that low. I think we're going to go to 1840 maybe and then higher. If we're going to go higher. Do remember, we have already weekly take profit already. That means we have a bigger chance to have a bigger pullback. Just mentioning that, okay? Bigger chance, larger risk for a bigger pullback down to either 1800 or 1775. Be ready at those prices. You got it from me. Congratulations. Pound, I don't know. New Zealand daily was in the buy zone for tomorrow. It's still a range or I don't know, something. So I want a higher high, not a lower low that it did today before buying again. So this one I'm a bit break this top, not the bottom, and then we can talk. Entry for Aussie dollar I've already given to you, Hardik. USD CAD, I don't know. Did I really get stopped out on USD CAD? Is it really that bad? Oh, I have one order left. Oh, Jesus. That's how annoyed I am today. So 21 traders today. Okay, I will close it right now. CAD yen. Look for sell here. Look for buy here on euro. Pound yen's new lower low. Wait for it to come back up again, then sell it again. New Zealand dollar, same thing. Come back up to 77.60 and then down. USD yen coming back up to 10, 111.00 and then down if you want to. Down to 109.20. Okay? And anything else than that? Nothing. US oil still in the range, so it's no market. Okay? No market. Yeah, I've been here for 1 hour and 13 minutes. So my wife misses me, I miss her too. So let me make this one fair and straight with you. I expect dollar bearishness, Aussie strength, Euro strength, Pound strength, CAD strength for a pair. We shall all see what we're going to get. I don't know what we're going to get, but that's where we are going to go. Okay? Until next time, have a great day. Look at that pretty sell zone. That was around... I should have taken that one. Damn it. That was a great sell. Okay. Sorry, no, don't swear too much. And then down again. Okay. Great, great. Have a good day. Happy profits. It's been amazing. Made a lot of pips. Made a lot of money. Boom. Okay, let's go to war, people.